Everyone is talking about which ads have the best cost per acquisition. But here's the truth no one's telling you. It's not just about the initial purchase. It's about understanding which ads are driving the most profitable customer behavior, including who's taking your post-transactional upsells. Today I'm going to show you how to set up specific tracking for free so that you can understand not only if somebody bought, but what offer they bought, and more importantly, did they take an upsell? We're going to be able to understand how to drive the most amount of value by giving you insight that you've never seen before for free. This strategy has helped brands improve their profitability by between 200 and 500%. And for those brands leaving cost cap agencies, this has helped them improve not only clarity, but confidence and their unit economics per customer overnight. This is going to be super fun. I'm going to share my screen the entire way. This will change everything. All right, let's get to it. So first, let's talk about the limitations of focusing only on CPA. Traditional CPA measurements only track how efficiently you acquire a customer according to attribution. Focusing solely on CPA also critically overlooks the quality and type of customers you're actually buying. True growth comes from a change of focus from how well can I sell a product to what type of customer am I acquiring. Most advertisers aren't tracking the full customer journey, and they're missing out on tremendous opportunities to improve unit economics, customer stickiness, cash flow, and overall business health. So with all that being said, let me share my screen to show you exactly how to set up these custom conversion events. And remember, the value of this is that you're going to be able to see at the campaign, ad set, and even ad level, not only did somebody buy, but what they bought and how valuable every one of those customers actually is. Okay, so the first step in this process is going to be grabbing the content ID of the product that we want to track. In this case, if we go to Disruptor School and we check out the Ultimate Mastery Bundle, we can see it here. Up in the right-hand corner, I've got the Metapixel and I can see page view and view content. Now in here, we've got this content ID. Now there are other ways of seeing this, but this is one that requires no backend access with a free Chrome extension that literally everybody already has access to. This is the magic thing that we need to grab for our efforts today. Now that we have that, let's get into Facebook. What we're gonna do here is just go to All Tools and Events Manager. From here, what we're gonna do is go up to Create and then Create Custom Conversion. This is really key. Once this opens, we are 90% done. So what we're gonna do first off is just title this thing. In this case, what we have is the Ultimate Mastery Bundle. Great. And we've got our data source and we have our action source. In this case, it's a website or a physical store. For what we're doing today, it will always be website. And then we get to event. And in this case, what we're gonna do is track the purchase of the Ultimate Mastery Bundle. Now, the way we're gonna do that is very specific. Where it says URL, what we're gonna do is go to event parameters and then type out content IDs. Okay, click on that. Now, we want to hit contains, not equals, not less than, greater than, anything else. We want contains. And then we paste in that content ID. What this means is that when our pixel on our website sees the purchase event of a content ID that has this string of characters, which in this case is the Ultimate Mastery Bundle, it's going to fire a conversion event. This is how we do the job. Now you can enter a conversion value here for these events. I generally don't do this. I will only fill out something here if we're tracking something down the funnel and we have an assumed value for the event that we're tracking. But because this is a conversion event where we're already tracking the value, this step is unnecessary. So all we need to do now is hit create. And we're good. So let's talk about how to take action on this custom conversion data to maximize profitability. So now we can begin to break down our results not only by which ad has the lowest CPA, but which ad is bringing the most valuable customer. You can begin to see at the creative level which ads are more likely to get somebody to take an upsell and which ads are more likely to get a very low quality customer for not even that much better a price. One thing that I love about this is how simple it makes the improvement of profitability. Just begin focusing on the ads that are acquiring more valuable customers. By focusing on these deeper metrics, I've seen brands improve their profitability by between 20 and 65% in a matter of days. Remember, one of the greatest values of this data is that it allows you to take a creative-first approach to improving the quality of customer that you acquire that ultimately helps you improve your cash flow and scale with confidence and stability. So let me give you 3 simple case study examples of how dramatic this can change your business. A clothing business that I work with improved their AOV by 72% in a matter of weeks by understanding which ads got customers to take the buy 3 get 1 free upsell in a post-transaction experience. A skincare business that I work with improved their customer loyalty by over 37%, while increasing overall revenue by 50%. By tracking which ads led to customers taking an upsell that best matched their first purchase to the stickiest consumer segments. And a very famous flower company that I promise you know about was able to improve their overall cash flow and profitability by 300% by using this to track which people are buying Mother's Day and ultimately getting them to take a subscription to a monthly offer. These types of things can fundamentally change your business. All right, so how can we use this upsell data to incredibly streamline and improve our creative strategies? Tracking which creative concepts best lead to customers taking an upsell immediately improves AOV on day 1. Understanding what types of messaging gets customers more likely to come back and buy more often improves cash flow 3 months, 6 months, and 2 years down the road. Having fewer and better ads optimizing towards a better quality customer also allows you to more directly focus on consumer journey and search and CRO efforts. And probably my most favorite way of using this data is that it allows you to change your business from needing to be first order profitable to ultimately focusing on solving more important problems because you can become something that your customer actually cares about instead of solving a commodity issue. You're going to move from being somebody good at selling a product to somebody good at the customers they acquire. That is necessary if you want to achieve 3, 4, or 500% growth in any year. These are some of my favorite custom conversion events, but I'd love to know if there's any that you enjoy using. Drop down in the comments section any custom conversion events and actions that you're tracking so that we can all win. So with all that being said, this is just the tip of the iceberg, and if you want to know how to truly scale your Facebook ad account, grow your business, and achieve the success that you deserve, I got a great playlist here for you. And until next time, I'll see you on the internet. All right, bye!